Welcome to our channel Coding Tamilan. Today இன்னைக்கு நாம பார்க்க போற வீடியோ பாத்தீங்கன்னா computer vision using Python for beginners tutorial. So in this tutorial we are discuss about the importance of the images in the image processing. We already know the computer vision is one of the tool for image processing. Let's get into the video. What is image? So image is represented by the rows and columns, nothing but the rows and columns is an values. So in this value is can be a color value like a RGB or a black and white values or like that. Technically it will be determined as pixel values. So the image will be the two-dimensional or three-dimensional, depends on the frame. So in this frame can be the art or person or things or like that. The object will be present in the image, or a non-object will be also present in the image, but it will be definitely formed by as an image. See this car, this is captured by the camera, so we know it is an object, car is an object, but camera knows it is an pixel values, depends on the pixel value only it will be determined. Next, what is a pixel? Pixel is simply represented by the denoted the elements of the digital image. When we go for a shop to buy a mobile phone, we give the instruction to the shopkeeper as I need a 16 pixel or 24 pixel megapixel camera. So this is an high range pixel value because it is a mega. You can be understand through the pixel as resolution. So more or less resolution and pixels are look like the same. For example, the height of the image is 256 and the width of the image is 256, means it denotes as a weight, depends on this pixel values. In this first image we are know the pixel value will be from top left to right corner and top left to bottom left corner. Next, types of images: binary image, black and white image. Both are more or less same. Binary images, we already know the binary values are zeros and ones. So 0 means black and 1 means white. In black and white image also the black and white will be present. And next will be the color format. So color format is nothing but your color image. It will be in two types, 8-bit color and 16-bit color. So in 8-bit color, gray conversion will be there, so it will be included on it, gray color. In 16-bit only high pixel values, the not a gray image will be present on it. Next, channels in the images. Channels is nothing but the color value and normal values. Like if we take the RGB images, means channel will be 3 RGB, red, green, blue, like that we are using. So if we need a yellow color, means red 255, green 255, and gives the blue as 0, then the yellow color will be formed. Like that we are using the channel range for every image. Next, manipulation of images. There are many type of images will be recorded or described in image processing. Some of them are camera, sensor and lens limitation, and viewpoint variation, and lighting, depends on the lighting value, and depends on the scaling. Non-ridge deformation, oscillation, and clutter and object variation. In this clutter there is an multiples of images looks like the same image, there will be some difficult to find the word on it. And oscillation is like to predict the phases or human body in the present the layer of the image. And non-ridge deformation is a viewpoint like variation, same thing. And object class variation is used for classify the object through it. We already know the optical illusion in a real world, so that also including our image processing side. Next, the image format. Multiple number of image formats are there. Some of the main formats are JPG, PNG, and GIF. We are using WhatsApp also. uh, Quality of images not affect this image format. Next, the application of image. So application of image is most important. There are many number of applications are there, so this is most important for applications are mentioned here. And then this we will know the computer vision application. We will give the input image and get the output as a description. Description is nothing but the deduction of values. If we unlock the face through the camera, means after that it will be unlocked is an algorithm we already set into the computer vision side. And then the digital image processing, we are using normal thing like using the tools of MATLAB. And the computer graphics, for example, take the desktop and laptop as your application. Means in the computer graphics, we need to change the resolution pixel value to the word present in your system. Just click the description or like that, means it will processing and it will convert the whole image into the various number of pixel. So your computer monitor will be more clear after that. And then next application, artificial intelligence. So in this artificial intelligence, we already know the humanoid robots are like that. So robots first using the camera, they will see. After that they will take the process or task. That's all. Thank you.